Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is September 22nd, 2018, and I'm here with the sweet potato plants. Now, the deer are starting to come up and actually eat the sweet potato vines. Normally, we would not be taking them out this early, but we found out that the voles are actually going into the containers and they've been eating our sweet potatoes. So you can see what they did over here. We did find pretty nice sized potatoes that they actually ate. There was nothing left but the shells. You can see over here they were digging. I can see a sweet potato there. So I have our tarp here, and we're going to be taking these out today. I'll be showing you how to take them out. Now, we don't know how many the voles may have eaten, so I don't know what kind of a harvest we're going to get. Normally we don't take them out until they're calling for a frost, and you definitely want to get them out before they call for a freeze, because what will actually happen is if a frost or freezes, it'll hit the foliage and it will actually travel down through the stalk and it will ruin your sweet potatoes. So definitely make sure that you get them out before a frost or a freeze comes. So we'll be laying the tarp out then, and we'll be taking these out, and I'll show you then. So we'll be back. Okay. So we're going to get this dumped out here. We have our tarp all out so that all of our ground goes on that, because we reuse our ground. We just recharge it. I did a video on how I recharge my soil.
Watch Rennie. Get Mikey right here. Watch.
Michael, come here. Ready? Watch. So, hey, we got some really nice ones. Look at this one over here. I just wonder what they ate.
Okay.
Yep. We're going to start harvesting these out. I have my little kneeling pad here. Let's see. Get these apart here.
Okay.
Yep. This one here.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, they're really, that's a small one there. Now I'm laying the sweet potatoes off to the side here. Yeah, we're going to have to figure out how to get them apart here.
You want the tails off?
Yeah, you can lay the tails off to the side.
Like, I mean this here.
You can just let it on.
Okay.
So normally we would have left them go longer, but with the voles eating them, we don't want to lose everything, so.
Nope.
And these things here, these will eat your plants. These are pill bugs. They'll eat your plants, and they'll eat like roots and different stuff. So
This here just broke.
here, let me show them here. This is some that my mom got out. Now this one here broke off.
Yeah.
Sometimes they'll break like that. It's just something that happens. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
I think they're still growing.
Well, they would have kept going. Go. There.
It's sad that we have to take them out.
Yeah.
Oh. I just snapped another one.
Happens. I did one too.
Not good, I don't feel quite so bad. Here, babe. There you go, Carrie.
Go. More over there.
Are these here anything?
Yeah, they're sweet potatoes. So I'm working on getting this big one here out. And I'm trying not to break them, but they are kind of breaking, so. This one here broke on me.
There's a lot of pill bugs in there.
Yeah, there are a lot of pill bugs in there. So this one here, you can see how it grew, and it went down into here. So it's in here somewhere. I'm going to keep working at it to get it out. There's some more over here, and there's some really nice ones right there.
They're really over here. They're rooted.
Let me see what the other side looks like. This is the other side of the bin over here. So I'm still working on this spot up here.
Oh boy, they could have really got much bigger. Wowzers. Oh, shoot. You need like a little shovel or something to kind of a plastic little rake or something? Or?
No, I'm just slowly pulling them apart here.
Yeah. They just keep on going.
Well, yeah, this one's stuck way inside, so you can see here. Now, these would have definitely kept going, and we really didn't want to take them out yet. Got this so far.
There you go. Yeah, because the stems didn't even die. It's a shame to take them out, hon, because they're still growing. I don't know. Michael's in the flower bed.
So this is one of the ones that the voles got to, and that one there, they ate them. There were bigger ones that they did eat. We found the shells from them. So I'm still working at this over here to get these here out. You can see this one went, and that actually broke off. It went the whole way down, and it's in here. So I did uncover this one here. So I'm just working at it. Oh, that's a nice one.
Man.
Oh, it broke.
Sorry.
So you can see about how long that one there would have been. That one actually did break on us.
Yeah.
It should be about 3 times bigger around
There you go. Yeah. Just didn't get to mature really. You okay?
I got dirt.
there. There's one.
There's one.
Here, you can see what they were doing. Here, they were eating them. That's why we're taking them out. That would have been a really nice sweet potato there. So it doesn't appear that they're in the other bin, so we're actually going to let that one go. And then we do have another one over at the garden. I forgot about that one.
Yeah, they're doing good.
So that one has some tomatoes that came up in it. So we're not going to take that one out yet. Those tomatoes are doing pretty good, so I'm going to let them keep going. So I can show you here what we got so far.
Not too much.
And we're going to continue harvesting here. I'll come back and show you then what we get at the very end. And you want to go through the entire thing because they're going to be down in here. They won't just be along the bottom. They'll probably be in like the centers too. It just kind of depends on how much they got to actually grow. You can see this one here is getting dug out here. So we'll be back. So this is what we got out of it. Now normally we've gotten more out of this tub before, but I'll show you some of the ones that we did get here. This is one of the ones that we got out. And these should be actually bigger than this. Now, sweet potatoes do need the warmth to grow. And these should actually be bigger than this. But this was a cooler year for us this year. We got a lot of rain, which is unusual for us to get as much rain as we got this year. But from talking to different gardeners, it's kind of been the same, where they've gotten a lot more rain than normal and things just didn't quite grow this year like they. So I'm back. The battery died. I had to wait for the camera to charge. And we're going to be having the tails tonight with supper because they'll dehydrate first. So we want to be able to get to eat them. So these were already pre-soaked in water to get the dirt off of them. And then we've rinsed them off, and they're going to get rinsed off more and possibly scrubbed with the vegetable brush to get the dirt off of them. The bigger ones, they've already been put in the bucket to take down into the basement. We're going to be putting them out on newspaper to let them dry, and I'll show you how to cure them. So we'll be back with more videos then. I'm going to show you how we cure our sweet potatoes, and it wasn't quite the harvest that we were looking for this year, but we still have 2 more bins to go through then later on, because we're not seeing where the voles are causing any problems with those. And the soil that we took out, we're going to put it back in the container that the sweet potatoes were growing in. We'll probably plant a cover crop in it, like winter wheat or something, just to you know, help re-nourish the soil. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.